Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I have a walkthrough for you. This is my design team project for Country Craft Creations, and I'm using Carta Bella's Be Mine collection. It is super adorable and a great collection for Valentine's Day. And the other thing that I'm using is our brand new from Country Craft Creations acrylic tag album. Country Craft Creations got a laser cutter, and we are going to be getting some great products with that. So I'm super happy that I get to play with it. I am so excited about this collection. I just can't stand it. So I just finished the tutorial and I need to upload it, but I will get this walkthrough out first. A couple things to note that this is the acrylic album. The total size is 7 by 5 inches tall. We have 5 pages and they are very, very interactive. Okay, so yeah, that's what I wanted. I guess I wanted to share with you. So it's real simple. The acrylic album does come with these rings, so you will get a ring to bind it. And then I used the pink frayed ribbon for like making a tassel kind of a thing for the ring. And then I used some of the red ribbon that I received in my design team package for that. And then I did use this big green satin ribbon for the closure. Now, I did do a haul video, and I will link that down below. There's links for everything. There's also links down below as well. But this is just a really, really fun collection that I received. Now, I did receive 2 pages of each of the pattern papers. So I used about half of them. So I used 12 altogether, and I did use a full sheet of 4x4, 6x4, and 3x4 cut aparts as tags and interactions and things in this album. So if you do get this collection, to make this one, you basically need an entire collection. And then I did use sticker sheets, and I did use some of the ephemera too. All right, so here's the album again, 5 pages, very interactive. Here's the back of it. Now I did keep it, because it is a tag album and it only has this one ring for closure, or for binding, I should say. It is a little floppy. So I did want to use this ribbon for a closure, but it is a simple closure in that it just wraps around. So it's not really necessary if you don't want it, but it does, you know, kind of wiggle when you do it. So I will show you in the tutorial how I added these elements to the acrylic tag itself, so you can see that these are actually attached. And I actually did use art glitter glue, and it worked out perfect. Also to know, I did pull some black artisan 65-pound cardstock to make photo mats with this, but I did have the coordinating cardstock. I did use a couple sheets of that in this album as well, and then I also had the Tonic Studio mirror card in gold, so I did use that as well. Now I did find a punch that I have, a little heart punch, and out of the scraps from this paper I did punch a few hearts, and I used those and kind of sprinkled them around. So the front has the 4x4 cut apart on that, and then on the inside I did another one to kind of mirror that other side so you couldn't see the glue on this. And I'll show how to add that to you, or to the cover in the video. On this, I thought this would be cute to be able to write a message, a to, from, a dedication, whatever you wanted to write. And then I did add this cute little ribbon sticker at the top. I just thought that was really pretty. On the first page, so we're going to go through these pages. They're very interactive. So this first page has a booklet. So it's just closed with the 1/8 inch black ribbon that I received in the package. And then we have, this is where I use the black for photo mats. Did use some ephemera here. You could tuck a picture, but in here you can add 6 complete nice pictures. So it's a really nice, you know, page, because this thing holds a lot of pictures. So on the back of page 1, you have a waterfall, because I had to do my stacked waterfall, and I did it so that the magnet is underneath, because I did not want to close or cover, excuse me, this particular thing. So, and I did add some of the gold hearts here. And then the pages inside, I did add a sticker here under the tab, but I left all of these blank so you could put your pictures. So again, there's 2, 4, 6 areas for photos right there And then there's more, but wait, there's more. So this page is an interactive page in that I'm going to show you how to create an opening that this actually closes, and you can use that as another place for 2 more photo spots. So I really, really like this. If you're familiar with disc binding, it's kind of the same concept here, but we're just using it with the ring. Okay, so that's page 1. It's huge. 6 pages here, or 6 pictures, 6 pictures, so that's 12, and then 2 more inside. That's 14 pictures right there on that page. On the front of page 2, we have this envelope I'm going to show you how to make with your envelope punch board. And it just tucks underneath this ephemera piece, and then it has 2 of the 3x4 cut-aparts inside. All right, so you can write your secret love note. And then I have, I did glue it so that it's glued on 3 sides so that you could have a pocket. And I used 2 of the 3x4 cut-aparts here. Now I did also, I should show you this, I did put a sticker. This is from the sticker sheet with this collection. It says, "Sending all my love." And then that just tucks underneath there and keeps it nice and close. Now page 2 is a side pocket page. It does have a really nice fold out, so I used a 6x4 on the front. I added the photo mats on the inside with the black. I really like how the black looks on this. I love it. It really pops out the little bits of black that are in the paper. And then I used this ephemera bit here. You can put your picture underneath, and then on the back, piece of pattern paper, and then I added the sticker record player on that. So there's that. So that tucks into that page, and then you flip page 2 over, and page 2 and page 3 are kind of sister pages. So I'm going to show you how to make the corner pockets here, and I did them matching, and then inside of them I have one of the tags from the ephemera pack. I have a couple of the 3x4 cut-aparts, and then I have a 4x4 cut-apart. So that all tucks into this pocket. And then I did use an ephemera piece here to decorate. Over here, another ephemera piece here to decorate. And then in this pocket, I have one of the tags from the ephemera packs. It says, "To my Valentine," and then 2 of the 3x4 cut-aparts. So I used a full sheet of each of the cut-aparts, except for, I didn't use the one that had the multi cut-aparts on it. It had 4x6, 3x4, and then some stamps. I didn't use that one, but I have another project in mind already, so I'll be getting that out to you here real soon because I want to get it done so that you have it in time for February. So this here is a trifold. So I used, again, cut-apart on the front, and then it opens up, photo mat, tuck your picture under there, and then you have another photo mat down here. So this one holds at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could put 4 pictures in here easy. And then you have 2 in the pull out, so that's a lot more pictures. Now here I did one of the pull waterfalls, okay, so, or a reverse waterfall, I guess. And this one I did it with all of the cut apart pieces and then a little bit of pattern paper back, so it opens up like this. You could put photos here. Okay, use stickers here. So like for here, this one says "True Love." This word sticker says "You're the sweetest." And then you keep pulling. This one says "You stole my heart." And then you have "Happy Valentine's Day." And then you could also put a picture here. And then I just used a red ribbon and tied a small bow and then just glued it right on top for the pull. Now this page is also a pocket page, so I used the 6x4 cut apart, again photo mats, and then I used this ephemera piece. You can tuck your picture under there, and then you have this piece here, and then I used the sticker that says "So Sweet," and that goes in here. And on the back of this we have an explosion page, so because I had to do that. I did add some of the little gold hearts that I cut out on top of that, and then this opens up and you have the 2 photo mats here, and I did add this ephemera piece here that says "You will forever be my always," and this "Happy Valentine's Day" one. And I just glued this down except for this corner, because when it folds up, then that kind of creates a little pop-up kind of thing. It's real simple, but it's real effective. And this one is made with patterned paper, so it's kind of pre-decorated. So I am going to show you all of the cut aparts and things and talk about sizes for the mats and all of that in the tutorial. It's a pretty extensive tutorial. This page here, this is the 5th page. This has a pocket page here. And then we have in the pocket, we have a little tag from the ephemera pack. We have 2 4x4 cut aparts, and then we have a 6x4 that you can do some journaling on. Okay, so these are all just gorgeous. I think they're fun, and that'll tuck right in there. And then the back of page 5 has a belly band, and I covered the front with that piece right here. And then this is a 4x4 cut apart, and then I used 2 of the 6x4s and some of the coordinating cardstock to create some mats. So they look like this on the front, and then on the back they each have a photo mat, and then I used a cluster of stickers to decorate. Okay, so that other thing with page 5, if we go back to the front, is this is another page that has a fold out. Okay, so this just pops open and you have 2 more photo mats inside. So I really tried to maximize this paper collection and this tag album and really create a big album. Then on the back cover, what I did was I used some stickers. These are stickers and these are stickers. And then here, these are paper from the ephemera, and they happen to be the same size as the stickers. So I only got 5 banner stickers with this sticker sheet. So I used paper on the outside, and then I just mirrored them on the inside to create the little banner piece. And then I used the little heart stickers that came with it. And then I used the heart words that says Happy Heart Day here, and then this one says I will love you forever. So if you didn't, wrap the ribbon around, this is what the back would look like with the pretty banners on the front, okay? And then this is what the front will look like. All right, so I just think this album turned out really cute. I love it. I think this is a fun collection. This is Carta Bella Be Mine, and this is my design team package for January 2026, my first one for Country Craft Creations. And again, I'm getting to use this new 5x7 or 7x5, depending on which direction you put it, because you can definitely do it horizontal or vertical. But this is my design team package, and I love it. Oh, I didn't show you on the front here, on this 4x4 cut apart. These are 2 stickers that I did bump up with some foam dots, and then I did add some of the gold hearts as well. So yeah, that's how I decorated it. So I hope you like it. I think this album turned out really fun, and it's really cute. It's different. So I am super happy with it. And the acrylic album is amazing. So you guys got to check it out. I'm really excited we got a laser because we're going to get more stuff now. It's going to be fun. So we'll have to start thinking of things for her to make, right? So there you go. So thank you so much for watching. Do check down in the links below. I'll have my haul video. I'll have all the links to the products I received, and I will get that tutorial up and running as fast as possible. I'm thinking by tomorrow it will be up. So check this out, and I will see you again soon. And stay crafty. I will talk to you later. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.